Hello, everybody. It's Bryan from Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today, we're going to be talking about changing the region and language settings on the back end of your Squarespace website. I'm going to show you where to find that and how to get all that stuff changed. So we're going to head on over my screen and I'll show you step by step just how to do that. Okay, so we're here on my demo website and we're going to go into the settings. So you click on the gear icon down here in the bottom left of the screen. And it will bring up site languages, and this is under website here. Site languages and regional settings. So we'll change the language first. All right, and you'll see right here it's in French. Most everything that I do is going to be in English, United States English. So I'm going to change that there. And so you see the date and the time. This is what the format would look like on date and time, and then the currency you see is still in euros. It says here your site language determines the format of dates, times, and numbers on your site. You can change your site's currency in the commerce settings. It actually gives you a link to click on it to get there. So you either click on that link or you can hit the / and go to commerce. Wonder if I can type currency. Customize your core store currency options. All right, so we want to save this first. And then we're going to type currency. So we'll go store currency. And you can see here it's in the euro. I'm going to hit the drop down. And we'll just have to look for the dollar. There we go, US dollar. Okay, hit save. And then we want to go back to website and site languages. And you can see the currency is now in the dollar, the date and time look right. So then now we can go back to website and then go to regional settings. And you see everything here is set on metric. Country is France, time zone is Paris. So we're going to go back to imperial for the United States. And then you're going to scroll down to United States. And you can even click the state if you want to. I'm in Arkansas. And the time zone, I'm going to look for Chicago, probably because that is the biggest city that's in the same time zone as me. Central time zone in America, Chicago. All right. And then you see where it shows you there. And you can save. Close out. And that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact info in the description below.